Heavy rain. It's forecasting heavy rain this afternoon. High expectations. She has high expectations for her students. Close proximity. They work in close proximity to each other. Strong coffee. I need some strong coffee to wake up. Deep sleep. The baby is in a deep sleep right now. Warm welcome. We received a warm welcome at the hotel. Hard work. Success is the result of hard work. Fast runner. He's the fastest runner on the team. Quick shower. I'll take a quick shower before we leave. Serious injury. He suffered a serious injury during the game. Bitter cold. The bitter cold made it hard to be outside. Light meal. Let's have a light meal tonight. Loud noise. There was a loud noise outside last night. Total silence. The room fell into total silence after the announcement. Slight chance. There's a slight chance of rain tomorrow. Strong relationship. They have a strong relationship built on trust. Clear instructions. Please give clear instructions to the team. Vast majority. The vast majority agreed with the decision. Complete stranger. She was a complete stranger to me. Firm handshake. He greeted me with a firm handshake. Full attention. You have my full attention now. Utter nonsense. That's utter nonsense. I don't believe it. Pure coincidence. It was pure coincidence that we met. Sheer luck. By sheer luck, we found the last available room. High quality. They sell high-quality products. Poor choice. That was a poor choice of words. Mutual respect. Mutual respect is important in a friendship. Broad daylight. The crime happened in broad daylight. Narrow escape. He had a narrow escape from the accident. Wide range. The store offers a wide range of products. Rich culture. The country is known for its rich culture. Fierce competition. There's fierce competition in the business world. Unwavering support. She provided unwavering support during difficult times. Brief moment. For a brief moment, I forgot my worries. Lasting impression. The speech left a lasting impression on me. Sudden change. There was a sudden change in the weather. Regular basis. We meet on a regular basis for discussions. Initial shock. After the initial shock, he calmed down. Final decision. Have you made your final decision? Early morning. She likes to jog in the early morning. Late night. We had a late night chat over coffee. Cold weather. The cold weather is starting to set in. Hot topic. It's a hot topic in the news right now. Social media. Social media has changed how we communicate. Public opinion. Public opinion seems to be shifting. Personal space. Everyone needs some personal space. Common knowledge. It's common knowledge that he's leaving the company. Major impact. The new law will have a major impact on the industry. Minor details. We need to focus on the minor details. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is a valuable skill. Ancient history. To them, anything before the Internet is ancient history. Modern technology. Modern technology has made life easier. Future generations. We need to protect the environment for future generations. Past experience. Her past experience makes her qualified for the job. Present situation. We need to deal with the present situation. Daily routine. Exercise has become part of my daily routine. Weekly meeting. The team holds a weekly meeting every Monday. Annual event. The festival is an annual event in our town. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is important for health. Mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is his top priority. Emotional support. They provided emotional support during his illness. Financial aid. Many students rely on financial aid to attend college. Legal action. They are considering legal action against the company. Global economy. The global economy affects all of our businesses. Local business. Supporting local business is important to the community. National security. National security is a top priority for the government. International relations. She studies international relations at the university. Public transport. Public transport is often the quickest way into the city. Private property. You can't park here, it's private property. Direct flight. I prefer to take a direct flight to avoid layovers. Round trip. It's cheaper to buy a round-trip ticket. Close examination. The contract requires a close examination before signing. Final draft. The final draft of the report is due on Friday. Basic needs. Food, water, and shelter are basic needs. Healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can help prevent chronic diseases. Immediate family. Only immediate family were invited to the small wedding. Distant relative. A distant relative contacted me out of the blue. Foregone conclusion. The outcome of the match seemed like a foregone conclusion. Armed forces. The armed forces were deployed to the region for peacekeeping. Peaceful protest. The citizens organized a peaceful protest. Civil rights. The movement fought for civil rights. Basic principles. The organization operates on basic principles of fairness. Moral obligation. We have a moral obligation to help those in need. Social justice. She is an advocate for social justice. Cultural differences. Traveling helps you appreciate cultural differences. Personal preference. When it comes to music, it's all about personal preference. Professional advice. You should seek professional advice for legal matters. Unintended consequences. Sometimes good intentions have unintended consequences. Common sense. It's just common sense not to spend more than you earn. General consensus. The general consensus is that we need to act now. Mutual agreement. We came to a mutual agreement after the discussion. Personal belongings. Please take all your personal belongings when you leave the plane. Scientific research. Scientific research is critical for innovation. Technological advances. Technological advances have made life more convenient. Educational resources. The Internet has a vast number of educational resources. Environmental protection. Environmental protection is a hotly debated topic. Economic growth. The new policy is aimed at stimulating economic growth. Historical significance. The site has great historical significance. Natural disaster. Communities rallied together after the natural disaster.